Tushar from TMS Tech. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to install Kali Linux on your virtual machine. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before doing this, you need some tools to download. I'll provide the link in the video description so you don't need to worry. Okay, now I am opening virtual machine. I have already downloaded it and now I'm selecting the memory of my machine. I will give it around 2 GB. So if you want, you can set more memory. Now I'm creating virtual hard drive. Create and now select VDI. Click next. Select dynamically allocated. In here you need to set the hard drive memory. I am giving with 10 GB of my hard drive. If you want, you can give more memory. Next. Now done. So I'm gonna select the ISO file into it that it can help to run this system. Now I'm selecting the ISO file. Here you can see Kali Linux. Okay, now run the machine. I am running the machine now. It will show you the Kali Linux boot screen. Okay, here you can see and select install. It will take some time to load. You don't need to worry. Select the English. The process is started now. Select English language layout and it will loading the additional components. It will take some time, so you don't need to worry. It will setting up the network of your system. Here you can enter your host name. I will keep it as default. Now it will ask for your root password. Remember that every time you log into your system, you need to enter your root password. So remember this. Here setting the clock. Here is the main thing. Here it shows the partition of disk. So if you want, then you can enter manual. Now it will showing you the hard drive which you have been created before. So select it. Here you can see that it will show three options. One, create new partition, automatically partition the free space, and cylinder information. You have to enter automatically partition. So it will help you to create the partition easily. Now I am selecting automatically partition. Finish it. It will take some time to install the Kali Linux onto your system. So until that, I am pausing my video. Okay, I am opening my Kali Linux system. So it will take some time. You don't need to worry. Okay, you can see that already process has been started. So it will take some time. Okay, here is the Kali Linux login screen. I am entering my username and user password. So okay, guys. Here is the Kali Linux system. You have been successfully installed Kali Linux system into your virtual machine. So that's all for today. If you like my video, hit on the like button and subscribe my channel. If you dislike it, then hit on the thumbs down button. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.